I'm Leanne. I work for Camberley Manor Nursing Home, TLC Group, and I've been here at the Elvetham Hotel. And it's been a great day at the Biz Conference. Lots of keynote speakers. James Wallman in particular was fantastic, and I look forward to the next one. So thanks for having me.
A fantastic group of people, about 100 people, learning about lots of new things, trends, growth of companies, decline of companies, companies failing, social media, analysis, blockchain, artificial intelligence, you name it. Absolutely fantastic day. But best of all, great day to network with all my local community in Surrey, in Hampshire, in Guildford and Farnham and Farnborough and Fleet. Loved it, you should come. Thank you.
I'm Tracy Shrimpton from Sixth Sense Marketing. I've been at the Eagle Biz Conference today. It's been an absolutely fantastic day. The speakers have just blown me away, are just so thought-provoking, learned so much, and met some amazing businesses as well. It's been a really, really good day. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sally Pritchett. I'm from Surrey Chambers of Commerce, and I'm here today at the Biz Conference. We had a fantastic opening speaker who was Wendy, who spoke very candidly and very powerfully about her experiences, which have resonated through the course of today. I've attended two fantastic workshops, one with Tom Bird and one with Tom Power, and I've got a lot of information and top tips to take away. It's been a fantastic day at a fantastic location. Thank you very much for inviting me.